My name is Tashayla. I go by Shay. I am a senior here at Cumberland University. I study psychology, and I'm an RA here at the Howard Jackson dorms. Our upperclassmen dorms are called Lurton and Jackson Hall. They are apartment style, and we call them the Commons. They're called the Commons because they have a common living space along with 6 rooms and 3 bathrooms, 2 girls per bathroom, and each room has a sink. Each room comes with a bed, along with a dresser with 3 drawers, a regular desk, and a hanging desk, along with a rolling chair, as well as each room has their own sink. Some things I would recommend to bring is a whole lot of storage. Think apartment, so you have to bring a mattress pad, along with your toiletries and health products. Benefits of the Commons is you get your own room, along with your own bathroom to decorate as you please, and these 6 other girls you live with are your friends. Thanks for checking out the Commons with me. Can't wait to see you at CU.